Something just spilled on your carpet. You are watching it spread. That slow, sinking feeling is setting in, the one where you can already see the permanent stain, the ruined room, the expensive cleaning bill. Stop. Do not reach for a chemical spray. Do not panic. Reach for something fizzy, because what happens in the next 5 minutes will either save your carpet completely or leave a mark you live with forever. Today, we make sure it is the first one. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because carpet stains are a crisis that happens without warning, and the knowledge to handle them needs to already be in your head before the moment arrives. The emotional panic. Every home has felt. Let me take you to a moment that has happened in virtually every home that has ever had a carpet. Company is over. Someone reaches across the table. A glass tips over. Time seems to slow down in that horrible, helpless way it does during accidents. The liquid hits the carpet and begins spreading outward in that unmistakable dark circle that every carpet owner recognizes with a visceral, immediate dread. Everyone freezes for half a second. Then the scrambling begins, paper towels, kitchen roll, whatever is nearest pressing down on the stain, while someone calls out, asking where the carpet cleaner is, and someone else suggests salt, and nobody is quite sure what the right answer actually is. The science why soda works. The soda in question is not cola. It is club soda, plain carbonated water. In its most powerful form for carpet stain removal, a combination of bicarbonate of soda, baking soda, and sparkling water or soda water used together in a specific sequence. Here is the chemistry that makes this work when plain water does not. The carbonation in soda water, the carbon dioxide dissolved under pressure, creates bubbles that physically agitate the stain particles in the carpet fibers when applied. For fresh stains, speed is everything with a fresh carpet stain. The first 60 seconds matter more than everything that follows. The moment a spill happens, do not rub it. This is the instinct, and it is the wrong one. Rubbing spreads the stain laterally and pushes it deeper into the carpet pile at the same time. Blot it. Firmly, directly downward, with a clean white cloth or thick paper towel. Press and lift, for dried and set stains. Here is where most people believe the battle is already lost. The stain has dried. The compounds have bonded to the carpet fibers. It feels permanent. It is often not. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 cup of warm water into a solution. The baking soda and vinegar react to create a mild carbonic acid solution that combines the lifting action of carbonation with the acidic cleaning power of vinegar. Apply this solution to the dried stain, working it gently into the carpet fibers with a soft brush. Do not scrub aggressively. Use short, gentle strokes that work the solution into the pile without damaging the fiber structure. The stains that respond best, and the ones that need more. Coffee and tea stains respond to this method with remarkable speed, often completely removed in a single fresh treatment. The bigger picture. Here is what strikes me most about carpet stain removal using soda. It is one of those areas where the most effective solution is simultaneously the most affordable, the most natural, and the least harmful to the surface being treated. Commercial carpet stain removers contain surfactants, solvents, and fragrance compounds. When these are used repeatedly over time, they can affect carpet fiber integrity and leave residue that actually attracts future soiling. Baking soda and soda water leave nothing behind except cleanliness. No residue, no chemical film, no fragrance masking an odor that has not been fully addressed. Your carpet is not ruined. It is just waiting for the right response. If this reached you at exactly the right moment, or gave you the knowledge you needed before that moment arrives, hit the like button right now. Subscribe and turn on the bell so solutions like this always find you first. Share it immediately with someone who just had a spill or whose carpet has a stain they have given up on. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.